I've done a bit of research. I looked on YouTube. I saw videos of other people who went out to Turkey and got their hair transplant done at a cut price. And it looked okay. It looked clean, it looked safe. So I thought I'd go ahead with it. I looked at different clinics, read reviews, tried to find the best place I could in Turkey. I found a place, it was £1,300. Everything seemed okay up to the point where I actually paid the money. And then after that, it seemed like their communication sort of cut off. They weren't really concerned for anything else. It was just like, okay, now you've paid us the money, we'll see you on the date sort of thing. There wasn't any like follow-up. Before I flew out there was no information given to me or anything like that. I just thought I'd go with it anyway, I didn't really know what to expect. But yeah, seeing the results, I was very disappointed. We got there early in the morning, went in, saw the surgeon. I was under the impression that he was going to be the one doing the operation, but when we actually went into the surgical room, it was one of his assistants that was doing all of the work, and the surgeon, because there was multiple rooms with multiple hair transplants going on, and he was just like sort of hovering around all the rooms trying to, well, just checking on everything. I thought that was a little bit concerning. I thought it was going to be the actual surgeon himself doing it, but I thought they know what they're doing, so I just got on with it, and I'm not very happy with the result, to be honest. The assistant didn't really speak any English, so I was basically sat there for the whole time, just sort of with my own thoughts. I don't know, it didn't seem very professional. I've got like a 5 centimetre place on my head where it seems still numb after like almost 2 years, which is odd, I thought. In my temple areas, it's thinning quite a bit, and my crown hasn't had any growth at all by the looks of things. It's just not what I expected at all. All through the aftercare, I raised my concerns, and they just told me to wait for the 12 months to see my results. But before the procedure, they told me after 12 months they have no more obligation to give me any more aftercare. It just seemed funny that they told me to wait for the 12 months, and then they weren't obligated to help me anymore. So yeah, the aftercare wasn't great either. I reached out to a journalist trying to put my story out there to try and warn people off going to these cut price hair transplants. You're better off getting it done properly with someone in the UK. My experience with the treatment rooms though it's an eye-opener to show you how it should be done. It's been brilliant. I couldn't have asked for anything better, really. Like myself and Dr. Vara have been emailing back and forth. He's been checking on my well-being and everything. It's just been amazing, really. Definitely recommending it to anyone that needs a hair transplant. My experience with finasteride has been okay. I was a bit hesitant because I've read some side effects. So far so good, I haven't had any side effects that I've known about. I haven't really noticed any difference to my hair, but Dr. Vara said he notices a difference. So yeah, I'll carry on doing it after the operation, definitely. Because I know sort of what to expect now in terms of pain, I'm a little bit nervous about that, but I think that's probably normal. On the other hand, I'm quite excited as well because I'm excited to see the results. It's knocked my confidence massively, to be honest. Like, I find myself wearing hats a lot more than I wanted to. I try not to lean over too much so people can't see the back of my head and stuff like that. It's really sort of impacted my quality of life in a way.